Hi friends, under the series of the descriptive statistics, we all know that box plots play a very important role to understand our own data. So I welcome you all in this particular video wherein I would be showcasing to you as to how to proceed further and visualize box plots for the given data set. So here that's the reason why I'm keying the words to draw or to plot. That's what I prefer to take care of it, to draw the box plots for the given data set. So in order to do this, first and foremost, we should remember that we need to import pandas as PD, number one. Number two, again, I have to import numpy as NP so that I can draw or plot the box plot. Now, in order to do that, I need to go ahead and specify certain things because I'm creating a data frame right now. Now, here I have taken a few numbers, that is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. These are not the numbers, these are the columns. That means that for 10 numbers that I'm going to take care, I need 5 box plots so that I can understand how the entire data is looking for me. Now, this would be randomly selected. I have not specified any kind of a data set out here. That's why it is numpy.random.rand, in which 10 numbers and I want 5 columns for it, and the columns are first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And then this is going to be stored in a data frame which is called as the df, which is a panda data frame. Now after that, I would just key the words df.plot.box, and in this one I'm saying that show me the grids also. Now grids, we know, plays a very important role, and that's the reason why I have taken it to be as true. And once you go ahead, complete this one, the coding, and then run the entire code, you would see that yes, we would see box plots basically in 5 different forms out here for the same data set. And now we can just see how it would be taken care of. One needs to remember that whenever the box plots we have to draw, remember that there are two libraries that we need to invoke in the Python, and that is number one pandas and the other one is the numpy. So here you can see that I have randomly picked up the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, and that's how it has been showcased to me out here. And I want this entire thing to be taken care in 5 columns. So here you will see that yes, it is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And you can see how the entire thing is being showcased to us, and this has been taken care. Again, remember, I did not one thing to note and observe is that I did not install matplotlib, and still it has a default one, it has taken care of in the matplotlib, and it is showcasing to us. So let me showcase to you one more thing wherein we can code in a different manner. Instead of 10.5, let me make it up for 25 and see if I can run the code for this one or not. And here again you will see that yes, the moment I have increased the data set, the way in which the box plots have been formed, and those are very different one. And now I can go ahead, I can see, randomly I keep on doing it so that I can understand as to how the things are taking place and how to understand the kind of the data set that I have got. So here I have done for 30, now I'm increasing to 40 with the same thing and trying to see as to what is happening to my data set. And from this, you see, I'm not entering into the details about it. However, with these you can understand the places more and more, and then see as to how the varieties of it are coming in, and how to understand these box plots also. Maybe in another video I would go ahead and showcase to you how to understand these box plots also with different data that we are increasing even for the random numbers. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.